we're gonna actually put shore power onto this. Put one of these plugs that, so if I got a generator or just plug it in, you know, outside from a building, I can put power into this trailer. Alright, welcome back. Back on the electrical part of the snowmobile trailer. So we got this shore power. We're gonna get that bolted on there, that plug, and work on the wiring. So that plug will end up right behind this panel that's on the trailer. That'll go like right in there, and so that'll be behind that, and then I can run. So then what I'll do is I'll come out of that with the wire and come along the top here. I'll attach that conduit and stuff up there, because this is open up here, because there's another trim panel that goes here. So then the plan is have a couple outlets back here and a couple outlets up here towards the front. Of course, there'll be light switches here. This one's for the one set of lights. There'll be another switch here for some other LEDs. All the lights will be 12 volt, but this is going to be 110 shore power, as we call it. So 110 outlets for anything that we might need with 110. So we'll get that all set up, because, like say, then the generator could be plugged in to, you know, either if it's sitting at a house or barn or whatever, or if I'm out in the bush, I can take a generator and run the generator and plug in there. So that's what we're gonna do. I've got my materials. I got these shallow boxes here, electric boxes, that will once I figure out where I want to go with it, but they'll mount about like so. They'll mount on there, and then the paneling will come flush with it. And I've got so I got conduit on my outlets. So what I'll do is that's just kind of what we're gonna do. We're gonna come up, we'll come across, and then drop down to the two outlets down here, and we'll still continue across here and come down to 2 more outlets up towards the front of the trailer here. So that will be the plan, and we'll work on that. And I'll show you a little bit while we're doing it, but we'll get it all done and show you what we end up with. All right, got some of that wiring done. So here I've got the shore power plug mounted, Got that all set up. This is what it looks like on the inside. Then I ran some conduit up to a junction box. Then I got this that comes down and over to another plug. So I got two plugs here, but I have this junction box that I can make these all connect. Then I come down here to another junction box that I drop down to the outlets. And I came from one to the other. And then this junction box I'll be able to use when I eventually get some other equipment that be a converter that I can convert and then have a charger for my battery and different things like that. So that's the plan there. And so got that done. Then what you can see here is I put some insulation in this one, and that's what it'll look like insulated. Eventually we'll do all the walls and the ceiling. Got the roof vents in, but you saw there's a video on that, putting them in. And anyways, so we got our 110 power. Got to get some the Wago connectors. I'm going to use those to connect all these. Those are really good connectors, and we'll finish it up. All right, that's it for tonight.